Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my Stitch Fix box for the month of January. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then your $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee. The only way you lose your $20 styling fee is if you decide to keep nothing from your box. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass, and so the Style Pass is where you pay $49 each year to have unlimited fixes sent to you throughout the year. Stitch Fix does a fix preview, and so about a week or 2 before your box is supposed to ship, you will get an email with about 10 items for you to look at and decide what you want to have put into your box. This is the first time this has ever happened to me, where when I got my fix preview, there was nothing in it that I was really interested in. And so when I went to click that I didn't like some of the items, it automatically asked me if I wanted to have a second preview, and so I said yes. And so about a day or so later, I got new items in a second fix preview, and I think I selected 3 of the 5 items that are in this box. In my note to my stylist, I was basically looking for another pair of jeans and maybe another pair of work pants, comfy, cozy sweaters and things like that. And so we're going to get into the box to see what I got for this month. This is a pretty big box for me. So when you open your box, right on top is your prepaid mailer envelope. I love that shipping is free both ways. It makes it really nice and convenient. So you'll put any items that you decide you don't want to keep into this bag, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll use this bag to ship things back to Stitch Fix. Also inside my box is my white envelope, and inside that envelope is a price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 53 for me. And also inside that envelope is my Oh Hello card, and this is a note from my stylist, but also it gives styling suggestions for the items that are sent to you in your box. And so last month I had a new stylist for the first time. So let's see if I get my normal stylist back or if I still have the newer stylist. And it looks like I have Tara, who was the new stylist in my last box. So let me read her note real quick. It says, "Hi Jennifer, happy fix day. I'm so glad to see you back for your 53rd fix. Thank you for all of your feedback. I wanted to send a variety of pieces for your casual wardrobe. Everyone loves a good pair of jeans, from wearing them at home to out and about on the town for the weekend. This pair of Judy blue jeans are sure to become a fast favorite. These light jeans will easily mix and match with the tops in this fix to create multiple looks you are sure to look and feel fabulous in. I see you prefer a 33-inch inseam for bootcut pants, so I slipped in a pair to try from 151. How do you like this style and color? I appreciate your thoughts about each fix and the individual pieces I have selected. This helps me make each fix ultra personalized. Cheers, Tara." So I'm a little disappointed that I don't have my old stylist back, but maybe she left the company and I just haven't heard anything about it. So inside my box I do have a shoe bag, so we're going to start with that first. And these are by Skechers, the Skech-Air Dynamight Pure Serene sneaker in dark gray. And I did choose these for my fix preview because I do need a new pair of sneakers. And so they are just a dark gray sneaker. They do have some pink trim on them, a large white bottom here. I do prefer a darker sneaker when I'm wearing sneakers. They do have the memory foam inside, which should make them nice and comfortable. So we'll see what I think about those. I'll try them on and we'll go from there. And here's a look at my bundle, and I have a pair of jeans, the bootcut pants, a sweater, and then just a casual top right here. So let's take a closer look. All right, so the first item in my bundle is by Marled and Spruce, the Malala split neck French terry hoodie in dark gray. And so last month I got a casual striped hoodie and I said that I could use more casual pieces like this. And so here is what that looks like. It's really dark gray, so it almost looks like black, but it's a really dark charcoal gray. It does have the ties going down the front. It's very soft and stretchy. And it does have a hood. And like I said last month, I don't have a lot of these types of items in my closet, so I'm interested in adding a few more pieces like this. It does have the slips on the side and a kangaroo pocket in the front. So I did select that from my Fix preview. Next is by Evolution by Cyrus, the Madi Marled yarn turtleneck sweater in light blue. And here's what that looks like. It has like a really pretty marled light blue and a little bit of a cornflower blue mixture there. Has some pretty detailing going down the sides right there. Has like ribbing at the bottom of the sleeve here. There are some slips on the sides. And it does look like it's a high-low, so it comes a little bit longer in the back. And it is a turtleneck, which I do like turtlenecks in the colder weather. I really like the color of that sweater. So now we get to the pants, and so the first item is by 151, the Ensley high-rise long inseam Ponte bootcut trouser in black. And so here's what they look like. They are very nice and stretchy. It's just a nice bootcut pant that I could wear for work. They do have fake pockets on the back. The pockets on the front are real. So those are a 33-inch inseam, so hopefully they will fit. I usually need a 33 to 34 in a bootcut pant. She selected that for me. And then lastly is a pair of jeans. These are by Judy Blue, the Talia high-rise straight leg jean in indigo. And so a couple things, I don't have any jeans that are this light wash, and I also don't have any straight leg jeans, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about that. So it does have some distressing right here, some whiskering up here at the top, some fading throughout the leg. It says straight leg. Here's the back, and there's a little bit of tiny distressing right here on the pockets. There is some cutouts on the knee, so I wouldn't be able to wear these to work. I'm not sure how I feel about straight leg jeans. I'll have to try them on and see what I think. And then I think the inseam is a 32, so I'm not sure if that will work for this type of pant for me or not. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna get ready to do a try on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first two items, and on top I have by Evolution by Cyrus, the Madi Marled yarn turtleneck sweater, and on the bottom I have by 151, the Ensley high-rise long inseam bootcut trouser. All right, so let's start with the sweater. I really love this light blue color. I like that the turtleneck is not real tight to my neck. I just rolled it down. I love the marled color with the light blue and the kind of like cornflower blue in the sweater. The sleeve length is really good. It does have like ribbing down here at the end of the sleeve, and it also has it down at the bottom, right here about 2 inches. It does have a slit on the side, and it does come longer in the back. Now it's a sweater, but it's not super thick, so I really like that it's not gonna like be so thick that you're sweating to death in it. So I think this one is a keeper. I like the color and everything. The pants fit wonderful, so they're very stretchy. I love that they're a deep black color. I'm not sure what they're made of. I'd be interested. I'm sure there's some polyester in there, some spandex. They're very stretchy, and the length is going to work perfect for me. Like I said, in a bootcut pant, I usually need a 33 to 34 inch inseam. I don't feel like these are going to shrink or anything like that because of that kind of polyester feel. I'll have to check the tag to see what it's made of, but these I think are going to be great. They do come up kind of high above my belly button. They do have the front working pockets. The back pockets are faux pockets. And I think this is just a cute outfit. You guys tell me what you think about these 2 items. I'm going to go ahead and put the other 3 items on, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with the last 3 items, and on top I have by Marled and Spruce a Malala split neck French terry hoodie. On bottom I have the Judy blue Talia high-rise straight leg jean. And then I also have on the sneakers, which are the Skechers Skech-Air Dynamight Pure Serene sneaker. Alright, let's start with the hoodie. It is very soft, very stretchy. It's got the split neck. It's the very dark charcoal gray with the white stripes. It does have the little tassels here. It does have the kangaroo pocket, the slips on the side, and the hoodie on the back. I do like this. It's very soft, very comfortable, and I could see myself getting some wear out of it. Like I said, I'm lacking things on the casual side in my wardrobe. So let's talk about the jeans. The jeans were an item that she put into the box. I don't know that I love the straight leg fit on myself. I think I prefer a skinny leg or a boot cut for myself. I do love how high-waisted the jeans are. They come up really, really high. I do like the lighter wash of them, and they are very stretchy. What I don't love is this giant distressed hole in the knee of the pants for me. As a teacher, I couldn't wear this to school, and as I was putting them on, of course, my foot went through the hole, and I think that's going to drive me crazy. The length isn't bad, but like I said, I'm not sure that I love them enough that I would want to wear them. So I think this right here makes it a no for me. If it was a little less, maybe, but I think that's just way too much. It's a pretty large hole when you bend your knee, so I just don't know that that's my style. A little bit of distressing I'm fine with, but that much I'm not fine with. As far as the tennis shoes, I don't think I love them either. I did pick those out in my preview. They have a really rounded toe look to them. I think I would like them better if they were, I prefer like a black sneaker. They're not bad, I just don't know that I love them. They're very comfortable. I am gonna put you guys down a little bit lower so you can see them up close. I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with a close-up of the tennis shoes. I have to say they are very comfortable. I just don't know that I love the look of them on my feet, and I don't know that I love the dark gray color. Comfortable, but I don't think they're for me. All right, I'll be right back to do a recap. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and overall, I think this was a really good fix. I think earlier in the video, I said that I chose 3 of these items, but now that I'm thinking about it, I only chose 2. I chose the sneakers and the striped hoodie, and so my stylist picked the 2 pairs of pants and the blue sweater for me. So overall, I think she did a really good job. I just don't think that the jeans are gonna work for me because that amount of distressing in the knee is not really my style, so I'm probably gonna be sending a couple of items back. But let's talk about the prices. The first item on the list is by 151, the Ensley high-rise long inseam bootcut pant in black, and the cost of these is $48. I think that's a great price for this pant. I love how soft it is, it's stretchy, it's comfortable. When I looked at the materials for this pant, it's made of rayon, nylon, and spandex, and so it's really soft, really comfortable. And now that I know that this one works for me, maybe I can find it in another color for work. Second item on the list is by Evolution by Cyrus, the Madi Marled yarn turtleneck sweater, and it's in light blue. And this one's a little pricey, it's $78. Sweater weather tends to be a little pricier. I really love the colors. I love how it was like that marled light blue and cornflower blue mixed together. I like the turtleneck. It is not a super soft sweater, but it's not scratchy or itchy either. I like the turtleneck, so this one I think I'm going to be keeping. Next on the list is by Marled and Spruce, a Malala split neck French terry hoodie. And this one is also pricey at $64. This is really soft, really stretchy, very comfortable. It is another casual piece that I can add to my wardrobe. $64 is a little bit pricey, but I'm thinking I'm probably going to keep that. Next on the list was the Judy Blue Talia high-rise straight leg jean in indigo, and it is $68. Not a bad price for jeans. I love that it was a high-rise jean. I just don't love that I can put my whole foot through the distressing of the knee. So because of that, if it wasn't for that, I would probably keep these jeans, but I just don't think I would wear them if I kept them. But you guys tell me what you think. They're cute. And then last but not least were the sneakers. They're by Skechers. The Skech-Air Dynamite Pure Serene sneaker in dark gray. I did select this. Like I said, I selected the shoes and the striped hoodie. They're comfortable. I just don't love how rounded the toe was on me. I just don't know that I love them enough to keep them. And so if I'm going to be sending the jeans back, I think I'm going to send the sneakers back too. But you guys tell me what you think. I think I would have preferred them to be black. And so my stylist pick subtotal is $321. The buy all discount takes off 25%, which would take off $80.25. The order subtotal is $240.75. I think that's a little bit pricey for what's in this box. Shipping is free and I don't have any credits. So my order total would be $240.75. So you guys tell me what you think. I think I'm leaning towards sending the jeans and the sneakers back. I really like the bootcut pants, the striped hoodie, and the blue sweater. I thought they were really nice. But you guys give me your input. If you were me, what would you do? I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. I've been having a $50 referral link, and that is good for first-time Stitch Fix users. So if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, you could use that link, sign up. You would not have to pay the styling fee. It would be waived. And then when you got your box, you would have $50 to put towards anything that you wanted to keep. My whole family does Stitch Fix. My husband does it, my daughter does it, and I do it, and we just love the convenience of the service. It's so nice to have clothes sent to your home, and then you can try them on, and then if you don't like it, you can ship it back. So if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know, and until next time, bye guys.